Obviously, there should be a proper technique to finish our massage up. What we're going to do, we will just put the palms in our face like this, hold it for several seconds everywhere, or forehead, like that. Perfect. Then we shall start patting on our chin. Well, you could do that with 2 hands, like that. But honestly, I have to master the technique with 2 hands. One hand does a way better job for me. You could pat it for 20-30 seconds. Like that. And after that, we shall repeat the fist exercise with, we will put it here. Again, make sure you put it all the way there. And we shall put the tongue down and hold it, guys, for 1 minute. You could, again, put your palms to your face and then do the next way. You might think that it took a little longer than you thought it would, but the reason for that is because I have been explaining each exercise. Once you have practice, you will definitely master it. Don't forget to use the note I'm going to attach. It has each exercise listed over there, so you could just look at it, and once you memorize, which is not going to take a long time, you could just make sure that you did each one on the list, and you're done.